Hi players, for today naisipan kong gumawa ng video para sa mga Sicilian ladder player. Now, the line will favor the black, pero it will revolve sa isang position which is the English system kung saan mukhang normal lang ang tinitira ng puti, pero after series of surprising move, white will found himself in a losing position. Okay, let's start. In the game, white will play bishop e3, the English system, and in this position, I suggest black should play e5, immediately forcing the white knight to abandon his central position. Most common move, knight b3 and bishop e7. White will play f3, bishop e6, queen d2, castling. Now, mukhang nasa normal position ang puti and itim, pero dito magi-start yung sinasabi kong preparation na in just 10 moves, masisira na agad yung preparation ng white. Because you will play a counter-intuitive a5. Mukha siyang weird. Because kaya ka tumira ng a6 para ma-prevent para hindi ma-weaken yung b5, then titira ka ng a5, and the most popular move there is bishop b5 para hindi na makatira ng a4. That is the main line. Now, in the game, the follow-up move is knight a6. Then, common move is king b1, and after the king b1, the sequence is knight c7, targeting the knight on b5, the bishop on b5. Now, kapag umatras siya, let's say umatras, if white retreats somewhere else, black will simply play the a4 and b5, magkakaroon na ng open line. Yung itim, na yun ang magiging focal point ng kanyang attack. Kaya, the most common move here is the bishop b6, pinning the queen, and para hindi makain agad ng bishop, then queen b8. Now, pwede mo nang kainin yung bishop, kaya ang gagawin dyan ng puti is atras. And kapag umatras siya, ang suggestion move ko is rook a6. Threatening the bishop on b6. Ngayon, same idea. Hindi makaalis yung bishop kasi kapag umalis yung bishop, black will play b5, trapping the bishop on a4. Kaya ang gagawin ng puti dyan is to supportahan either queen e3 or queen f2, and then isasali mo sa laro yung pyesa mo na hindi pa involved. Just involve this rook and play c8. Now, in this position, it is a very critical position para sa puti. Pag siya nagkamali ng tira sa position na to, immediately mapupunta siya sa losing position. Bigyan kita ng example. Ang common na ititira dyan ng itim is ng puti pala is magi-start siya ng sarili niyang attack, which is g4. Pero the moment na itira niya ang g4 at hindi siya naging aware sa idea ng itim, bibigyan ko kayo ng few seconds para ma-spot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sa mga nakakita, that is a good move, or that is a good progress. The right move here is knight a8. Renewing the idea sa pag-target sa bishop b6. Now, again, ano mangyayari? Let's say, umatras yung bishop sa e3. Immediately, white is winning because after rook x3, bxc3, b5, trap ang bishop, there will be a 2-piece for a rook. If ang itira naman niya is bishop a4, same idea, rook x3, pag nag-bishop x3, rook x4, black is winning. Kapag nag-rook x3, bxc3, then ang ititira mo naman is b4, again, the bishop is trapped, and black is winning. King. That's a good line for black, and sana ma-apply nyo to sa inyong paglalaro.